Hello, today we will talk about audiometry screening. What is audiometry test? This is a test which determines the patient's ability to hear sound. Audiometry is a non-invasive test which measures patient's ability to hear sounds based on intensity and tone. How is this test done? Before doing this test, the doctor physically examines the ear of the patient and determines if the audiometer is needed or not. For this, he manually measures the ability of the patient to hear. One of the ear is blocked and the other ear is tested for its ability to hear. Various sounds like whispers, ticking of a clock and a tuning fork are used to determine this. If any defect is suspected, then audiogram is used. Audiogram is a mechanical device which delivers sound waves at a specific intensity and tone to the patient. The patient has to raise his hand or press a button to indicate that he or she is able to hear these sounds. Is this test painful? This is a non-invasive test and no pain is felt by the patient. What is normal range of hearing for a normal patient? The intensity of sound is measured in decibels and the tone of sound is measured in hertz. For a normal patient, the range of hearing is between 250 to 8000 hertz at or below 25 decibels. What conditions can cause impaired hearing in a patient? Most commonly, it may be due to just impacted earwax. Apart from these, other conditions like chronic ear infection, ruptured eardrum, head injury or acoustic neuroma may cause impaired hearing in the patient.